View. You've been lied to about success. It's not about talent, degrees, or even working hard. If that were true, every broke college grad and overworked employee would be rich. The real reason most people stay stuck? No one's telling you the brutal truth. Until now. Stay with me. This might sting, but it'll set you free. VO. Success isn't about doing more. It's about becoming more. Most people waste years chasing distractions, not results. You don't need another productivity hack. You need to cut out the noise, drop excuses, and actually commit. Oh, and before you say, "But I'm trying my best," trying isn't enough. Results don't care about effort, only execution. 1. No one is coming to save you. 0-20. 0-30. No mentor, no lucky break, no perfect moment. It's on you. The sooner you stop waiting and start acting, the faster your life changes. 2. Pain is the price of growth. 0-30. 0-40. Success isn't comfortable. You'll lose friends, fail publicly, and question yourself 1,000 times. The difference? Winners push through the pain. Losers quit at the first sign of discomfort. 3. Money follows value, not time. 40. 50. Still trading time for money? That's a trap. The rich sell value, not hours. Learn a high-income skill, solve bigger problems, and watch your bank account transform. VO. Here's the real test. Will you keep consuming advice? Or will you finally act on it? 99% of people won't. The 1%? They'll own the future. VO. Your move. Subscribe for more no BS success blueprints and hit the bell icon so you never miss a wake-up call like this. The next video? It might just change your life.